Hello, children. Now, let us all learn more about nouns. The definition for a noun is: a noun refers to the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. Now, for example, I love chocolates. In this sentence, the word chocolate is a noun. Now, let's say Mumbai is a big city. In this sentence, children, the word city is a noun. Children, did you know that nouns can be divided into common nouns and proper nouns? Common noun refers to the common name of a person, place, or thing. Say, like the words school, dog, tree. All these words are common nouns. For example, children love sweets, and I am going to school. Children, in the above sentences, the words children, sweets, and school are all common nouns. Now that we have spoken about common nouns, children, let us now speak about proper nouns. A proper noun refers to the particular name of a person, place, or thing. And always remember that a proper noun always begins with a capital letter, just like the words James, Mumbai, and December. All these words begin with a capital letter. For example, Tom likes toys, and Jenny is a good girl. In the above two sentences, Tom and Jenny both are proper nouns. Let's say
After this, open your English grammar book, page number 1, noun. Underline the noun. Some girls like to play cricket. Now, what is noun in this sentence? Girls and cricket. Both are noun. So, you have to underline girls and cricket. After this exercise B, write person, place, animal or thing under each picture. Pictures are given there. You have to write person, animal, place and thing. For example, you can see the first picture. There is a person. After this animal picture, after this person picture, and after this thing picture. So in the below the picture, write the things, animal, person or place. After this, turn the page. Page number 2. Each sentence has a noun. Underline it. Also write whether it's name of person, place, animal or thing. For example, a chair is lying there. Number 2 sentence. Now what is chair? Chair is a thing, so you have to write in blank thing. Horses are very faithful. Now what is horses? Horses is animal. Horses are animals, so you have to write animal in the blank. After this, exercise G. Write 5 nouns naming person, 5 nouns naming animal, 5 nouns naming places, 5 nouns naming things. 5 person name, you have to write 5 persons name, 5 animal name, 5 places name and 5 things name. After this, turn the page. Page number 3. Write the nouns naming. 4 person name, 4 animal name, 4 places name, 4 things name and 4 action nouns. After this, exercise 5. Select from the box to fill the gaps below. I felt the cloth with my hand. These are blanks and the options are given inside. You can see in yellow color box options are there. You have to fill the blanks with with the help of this box. After this, turn the page. Page number 4. Pick out the noun in each sentence and write it in the blank. A hare can run very fast. Now what is noun in this sentence here? So you have to write here in blank. The bell is ringing loudly. Now what is noun in this sentence? Bell is noun, so you have to write in this blank. After this, page number 5, exercise H, underline the proper noun and circle the common noun. In this sentence, one is common noun and one is proper noun. So you have to underline proper noun and circle the common noun. Mrs. Jamil is our teacher. Now Mrs. Jamil is a proper noun, you know. Proper noun always begin with a capital letter, and name is a proper noun, so we are underline the Mrs. Jamil, and teacher is a common noun, so we circle the teacher. After this, turn the page number 6, select the person from the box correctly to fill the gaps. For example is given there. Our principal is in charge of a school. Now with the help of this box, you have to fill the gaps. Nouns are there. Okay. After this, turn the page number 7, exercise J, match the nouns with their gaps. Mother, father, brother, sister, they all are there, your family members. Like this, you have to match the noun with their correct group. After this, exercise K, write names of the following groups: lily, jasmine, rose, sunflower. These all are flowers. So Minar-e-Pakistan, Shah Faisal Masjid, Shahi Fort. These are places. So you have to write the name the group of these nouns. After this, turn the page number 8. Insert capital letters in the beginning and for proper nouns. The Badshahi Mosque is an old monument. Now what you do, you have to rewrite this sentence with the capital words, and proper noun also write with the capital. For example, the T capital, Badshahi Masjid, B is capital. After this, turn the page number 9, read the clues and fill in the blanks with two nouns from the box. Measurement of time, how we measure time with seconds and minutes. Flowers, two flower name in box, you can find the two flowers name. Animal that crawl, two animal that crawl, names are given in box. You have to fill these blanks from the help of this box. After this, exercise N, write each noun in the star on the correct side. Remember to begin each proper noun with a capital letter. Now in the number 1 till number 8 words, these are some proper noun and some common noun. You have to separate these words, and common noun write in common noun stars and proper noun write in proper noun stars. And proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Now your chapter noun, proper noun and common noun completed. Thank you.